Hey guys, Twitter is a great way to stay connected with the friends and family, but it's important to keep an app up to date so that you can take the advantage of all the latest features. In this video, I'll show you how to update the Twitter app on your Android device, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. First of all, we have to open our Google Play Store, and after that we simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will show you up couple of options, so from this menu simply select apps and devices. As you guys can see that there is an option called updates available, so go ahead and tap on that, and after that it will show you all of the updates available of the apps that are installed on your device. As you guys can see that there is an update available for Twitter. Simply tap on update button over here and it will start to download and update your Twitter app. Another way to check whether there is an update available for Twitter app is to go back and tap on the search bar at the top and search for Twitter. To the right of the Twitter, it will either says open or update. If it says open, that means that you are using the latest version of the app. If it says update, it means that you need to update your Twitter app as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.